USA vs. China. A technology war. Chinese government's rising concern about information security is a major reason for this change. Even the software should be developed locally as per the Chinese government. Time frame of 2 years has been given, marking Beijing's effort to take out overseas technology from its most sensitive organs. This will lead to a replacement of 50 million PCs by the Chinese government. China wants to decrease its dependence on US for semiconductors, servers, phones etc. HP and Dell technologies will be phased out under this strategy. The decision will benefit China's major server and laptop manufacturers like Lenovo, Huawei and Inspur. Still, the devices manufactured by these companies rely on key components made in US like Intel or AMD processors. To tackle this, Microsoft and HP have formed joint ventures with government-backed organizations to continue getting orders. Beijing wants to promote Linux-based operating systems instead of Microsoft Windows. Info brief. Please subscribe our channel.